Aquana and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing how I revert my hair. Starting off with a wide tooth comb, and I'm not worrying about making the parts straight, just getting the sections fairly parted. I'm also using elastic hair ties to separate my sections, and I'll be doing this throughout the whole process.
That's good.
After tying my hair up, I'm going to use Cantu for natural hair shampoo. I like applying it to my hair dry just to smooth it through my hair before it begins to revert from the water. Once I've completely covered a section, I'm going to wet the section and use the shingling method to create a lather and also finger detangle. I do this until I see the section is completely reverted, and I repeat this on the other sections. Once I finish, I rinse out the shampoo. So, I just want to address a few side notes here. This actually took 40 minutes to do, but I was able to get through it with the help of Cashmere's Cat album number 9. So, you guys definitely need to check that album out because Cashmere Cat is everything. Also, on another note, I want to say excuse my faces. Yeah, those are my focused faces, and yeah, they kind of look So now that I've shampooed and finger detangled all my sections, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna rinse out the shampoo. Now that I've rinsed my hair, I'm gonna repeat the whole shampooing process with Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Shampoo. The purpose of me washing my hair twice is to get all the oil and product buildup with the first wash and to get anything I missed with the second wash. If you've never used this shampoo, oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Like, I would eat this stuff and I'd probably die, but you know, I'd die happy. Okay, so the shampoo is out and it's time to move on to conditioner. I'm using Cantu for natural hair conditioner, and I'm going to work this in one section at a time with my fingers and my wide tooth comb to get any shed hair. Once I've covered and combed each section, I'm going to rinse it out. The last thing I'm going to do is use Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. I apply this to all of my hair, and I love laying it on thick because I feel like it's more effective. After applying it, I'm just going to put my hair into 2 buns. Finally, the icing on the cake, the hair cap, or in this case, the plastic bag. So you're just going to put the bag on or whatever you have in your hair and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. I like to sit for an hour or more just to make sure I get the most out of it.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it's been an hour now and I've rinsed out the deep conditioner. So this is what my hair is looking like without any product in it. I'm starting off by sectioning my hair to keep it organized while I work. The first product I'm using is coconut oil, and I'm going to apply this to my whole head. Next, I'm using the Cantu Curl Activator, and I'm going to shingle that through my hair. If you feel like your section is a little bit too dry, don't be afraid to add some water, and that's what you see me doing here. Then I'm using Ecostyler gel to define my hair and tame some of the frizz. Here's my favorite part of styling my hair, playing with my baby hairs and slaying those edges. Like, they gotta be laid, okay? Like, swoop. Alright, so my hair is finished. It's like really wet still right now, so I'm gonna give it a while to dry, but as far as I can tell, I don't have any heat damage, but I definitely need to take it easy on the heat. So I probably won't be flat ironing my hair for a while, actually. But lay my edges and everything. I used a rat tail comb for my edges. Shout out to Jujube or Juliana Palencia for teaching me how to lay my edges. And shout out to Jayla O'Neil. She taught me how to take care of my hair too.
Many hours later.
Okay, so it's been a few hours since I washed my hair and everything, and now it's pretty much all dry. It's a little wet in the back, but that'll be dry within the next hour or two. But the shrinkage is real. Like, y'all, look at this. Like, it's basically up here, but when it's straight, you know, it comes all the way down here. So like, my shrinkage is about 50% or so. I'd say something like that, but I'm really happy because as far as I can tell, I don't have any heat damage. And I thought I was going crazy with those flat irons straightening my hair, but luckily I didn't, so that makes me happy. So I guess I forgot to do an outro, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload so you're not missing anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!